Hi everyone, I'm Maria and this is the latest update on Phantom's development. If you followed our Hackaday posts, you may remember that we split the board into different parts and thoroughly explained the functioning of each of them in various project logs. We did a similar thing when starting to build Phantom. Once we got fully funded, our first step was to analyze each individual system again and again to make sure that we had a good grip of the project we were now bringing into mass production. The best approach we could find was dividing everything into systems and then working on their interaction. We split the systems in two main categories, hardware and software. In hardware, we broke down the board into the mechanism, the bottom case, the sensor layer, the controller, the magnet, the chest pieces, the battery and power adapter, and the top chest board. And in software, we split the system into firmware and app development. Alongside with the DFM of the mechanism we presented on Update 11, our manufacturing partners started working with the rest of the systems, preparing the DFM optimization for each of the components that make up our board. With the case and the top chest board, our aim is for both parts to fit perfectly. Apart from the dimension adjustments that we applied, we've also been exploring other layouts that could help us off this segment of the board. One of the most significant improvements we've made was to add an edge on all the layers to have an easy assembly process. We will show you all the details of this as soon as our partners finish with the DFM prototypes. To avoid any misplacement or collision issues with the chest pieces, we ran some tests to ensure that these pieces had the correct specifications. After we received the samples from our suppliers, we have been making some changes in the metal base diameter to have a more fluid motion of the pieces in the board. If you haven't completed your survey, please head to the link below and add your email address or send us a private message so we can send you the link to your survey. We are aware many of you have a cloud-based email, so if that's your case, we kindly ask you to send us a private message as it is likely that the emails we sent you got lost in the spam folder. Thank you for watching. See you in the next update.